Happy New Year, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video in the living room makeover series. So a few years ago, I bought an entertainment unit just like this at Courts Jamaica Limited, and shortly after it started to fall apart. So I didn't get a lot of years out of it. The finishing material on the unit looks very good, but after we assembled it and we moved it a few times, we could tell that it's not sturdy because it's made of MDF board. So I had to disassemble it. So now I'm going to repurpose the wood and use it to create a beautiful sideboard. So without saying much more, guys, let's just get right to the video now. So this is the sideboard that I'm creating, guys. So I did the frame off camera. So the entertainment unit that I had before did not have a frame. Maybe if it had a frame, it would have lasted me longer. So now I'm just taking the pieces from the entertainment unit and I'm just attaching them around the frame of this sideboard. I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through one, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. As you can see, I'm finished attaching the boards at the front along with a stationary glass door at the front. I did the bottom shelf and now I'm doing the top shelf. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Now I'm attaching pieces at the sides. The doors will be at the sides. So the entertainment unit was black and brown and I don't have a lot of black pieces. So I'm just using the finishing pieces at the front and the sides. For the back I'll use some plywood and spray them or paint them in black. It all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. So these are some pieces of plywood that I cut for the two doors at the side. So I'm painting it in black. I'm also painting the top in black, and I painted the shelves in black as well because I just want the entire unit to be black. So this is the top, guys. I am going to resin the top. So I'm just giving it a black undercoat. I'm going to resin it because I want to give it that nice glossy glass finish look. Now I'm attaching the plywood doors at the two sides. Now I'm attaching the top, after which I'll attach the back. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. Guy, trying to live through one, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Now I'm mixing a 1-to-1 ratio resin. I'll add this black pigment into it. Now I'm mixing it up. And after I'm done, I'll just spread it on top of the board.
trying not to give him the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You're my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.
Now I'm using the heat gun to pop the air bubbles. I did not mix a large amount because I'm just doing a thin layer. All I want is that mirror reflective look so that it can match with the front of the unit.
Now I gotta keep it.
After 24 hours, I'm now attaching the handles to the unit.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy.
So the unit has been completed, guys. I'm just cleaning up the front. As you can see, it is very shiny. So that was the reason why I put resin on top, because I wanted it to be shiny as well, you know, just to match with the front. So I added an handle at the front here where the glass is. It's just a dummy door. That door cannot open. So that glass came from the entertainment unit as well. So these are the real doors at the side. So this unit will be used as a storage unit just to store some extra decor accessories that I have. Accessories that I'm not using at the moment. So that is the purpose for this unit. So guys, now I'm going to style the unit to let you see how it looks after it has been styled.
You only call me for a good time. Hang up when it's bad. Hate me on the weekends. Love me when you're sad. Running your mouth, I can't figure it out. All of this stress thing is killing me now. Everything you say just plays inside my head. Like na 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 na. Oh, yeah, yeah. You say, do you hate